Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to search engine optimization tutorials. This is Raza and today I am going to continue the SEO techniques that we have started in the previous lecture. In the previous lecture I have told you what is on-page optimization, and in this lecture I am going to continue that topic with respect to the off-page optimization. So let's start and have a look what we have today. Alright, in the previous lecture I have demonstrated these things in front of you, and I have demonstrated the definitions of the on-page and the off-page optimization. So what is off-page optimization? Off-page optimization refers to the link building. What do you mean by link building? We have online community around the globe, right? We have forums, we have blogs, we have YouTube, we have every other video platforms that we are using in our daily life, okay? And you see every popular person or celebrity or any other YouTuber, everyone is doing this thing, off-page optimization. How? Let's say if I am a YouTuber and I am uploading some concept, let's say inheritance in programming. So the code of the inheritance in programming, I have published it on my blog, okay? And then at the end of the video I am saying that please go to this blog in order to get the code of this tutorial that I have shown you I have displayed you on YouTube. So what you are doing? You are basically redirecting your video traffic on your website or on your blog so that the people can get the code that you are going to give him or her, okay? But the problem is, the benefit of doing this is that you are basically diverting your traffic and you are increasing your traffic on your website, on your blog, on your forum, whatever you have. Okay, so this is one way of doing off-page optimization. You have to create links. I have given you the YouTube example. Same as the example you can take with the Stack Overflow website. Let's say you are signed into the Stack Overflow website and somebody posted that he or she is facing this problem, and you have the solution of that problem. So you give the solution to that problem, and then you have given the link of your website of that particular page, that you click on this page and you can go to this page and find the solution on there on that website, okay? So this is how you are redirecting your traffic on your website. So this is basically a technique that how can you regenerate or revert or divert the traffic on your web pages. This can give you a lot of benefits with respect to the revenue and with respect to the traffic and a lot of other things, because when the traffic is generating on your website, you can be able to place Google Ads. AdSense, you might have listened or heard that word, AdSense. So you can apply for the AdSense also when the traffic is appearing on the website and you are placing you are posting on daily basis new content based on the videos that you are playing on the YouTube. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, let's continue further. Off-page optimization is associated with the internal linking structure of the website, and it also relates to the factors that influence the web ranking on the search results. Okay, it is crucial to increase the website ranking by allowing exchanging of links with competitors' websites or higher ranking websites or blogs. As I have discussed with you, that if you want your website to be on the top of the search engine, then you have to increase traffic for your website, and this is one way, by going on the websites that are more popular than you, that are very much popular than you. Go on those websites and place your links on that website, but make sure that the link that you are giving should be specific. Let's say you have given the link for inheritance, but when somebody clicks on inheritance, the link is broken, or the user found something else on that page. So that should not be done. You have to be very specific, you have to be genuine, you have to be perfect, otherwise you will never get traffic. Okay, this is one other thing. Okay, website ranks better when there are more number of quality links from popular websites, newspapers, blogs, and so on. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's go further. Let us discuss some of the ways how can you perform off-page optimization. Ways for performing off-page optimization. Okay, guys, the reason I am typing all these things in front of you, so I am giving a flavor of live class. Let's say I am giving you a live class flavor so that you can be able to understood the concept in more detail. Okay, so some of the techniques we are going to use are link building, that I have already discussed. The first technique, link building. I hope it is clear to everyone. The second technique we have is directory submission. It is also a very important thing that you can do. It is paid and it is free as well. Let me write it, then I will show you with example. Directory submission. What is directory submission? Let me show you. Okay, I am on the Google search engine and I am writing here directory submission for SEO. So you can you see there are so many different companies that offers directory submission. Directory submission is, you can see the definition is already written here. So you can perform off-page optimization with directory submissions, and I am expecting from you people that you already know what is a directory. A directory is a collection of anything, a phone directory or a website directory or a list of people's directory or whatever. There are so many type of directories we have. Okay, so we have the directory of the websites as well. Okay, and those companies are listing and providing the search engines those directories in order to make your business more popular. So let us go on the list of some of the directories that we have commonly. You can make it specific. Let's say you can write here Pakistan, so you will get all the websites that offers you directory submission in Pakistan as well. So I hope it is clear to everyone. So let's come here and see what we have. Let us open this as well. Okay, so you can see I have opened a website that I have already searched. Here we have so many websites that gives me the directory submission feature for my website. If I open some website, let's say let us open this, copy and paste, and let us open another one, let's say packagesSEO.com. So you can use any of the from the list, any of the website from the list. Alright guys, so you can see I have opened different websites that are offering domain website submission or directory submission. Here you can write your domain, and then you can see there are some websites that are already in the directory list. Okay, so I am expecting from you people that you can open these websites one by one and explore these websites and see what they are offering. Here you have to give your website, and they give you two packages, one of free and one of paid. Okay, you can see there are different categories, and on any website you go and search for the category that your website is of, and then click on that category, simple, science and technology, and then you have the subcategories. You are go inside the information technology, and then you can specify your particular website here on that website. I hope it is clear to everyone. So right now let me check, should I have to add? Okay, you can see submit a link. Okay, when you click on submit a link, let's say on this website, you find this similar thing on different websites as well. Okay, you can see you can get the featured links, but you have to pay for this amount, and you have the free link, but it will take up to this much of time in order to verify. So I hope it is clear to everyone. But once you have added your website along with all the details that you are going to add with respect to your website will start coming on the featured web within the list of the featured websites that we have. I hope it is clear to everyone. And this is one of the crucial steps, because if you do this, then your business will get more traffic rather than others, because there is so much competition in the market. Everybody is hosting website. Okay, so what's different in yours? So you have to pay for that. Let us take the example of the OLX website. If you are placing an ad, it is placed, it is free of cost. But if you want your ad to be on the top, you are paying for that, the premium ads. Let us take the example of the YouTube. You are saying you are watching videos, so many videos you are watching without limit, but you are looking on the ads. The ads are appearing in front of, in between of the videos, in the start of the videos, and at the end of the videos. But if you use YouTube Premium, of course, then you have to pay to YouTube, and then you are using the premium features. Okay, without ads. You watch the videos without ads. So that's basically the same thing. Here you are doing the same thing. If you are going to submit your website directory with an amount for 1 year, there are different rules and regulations for different directory submission providers. Someone taking full lifetime fee for one time, and some ask for the commission on every link click, and some gets the monthly fee for directory submission, and there are so many packages. So I hope it is clear to everyone what is directory submission. So if you are going to perform an SEO, do this directory submission as well. Let's continue further. The next thing that we have is article submission. It's very simple. Article submission. Go on any blog and go on any forum and post your article along with the links for your website. Number 4 we have is social bookmarking. Social bookmarking. It's like you are posting your content on the YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, whatever social platform you are using. It's beneficial for you to post your links there as well, social bookmarking. And we have then forum posting. You can post your links to the forums, you can post your suggestions, solutions, and the links on the forums. And then we have the thing that is known as blogging. So guys, what is this blogging? Blogging means to share some topic and give and start a discussion with along with the different people. Okay, so basically the word blog, let me tell you this, how this word blog becomes into the context. This blog is basically weblog. Okay, so the original term, the original thing is weblog. Okay, so it is converted into a blog. I hope it is clear to everyone. So guys, I hope you have understood now what is blog and how this word is going to come in context. It is basically weblog, and the person who is doing blog or creating a blog is known as a blogger. I hope it is clear, and this process is known as blogging. So let's continue further. We have the video submission technique as well. Video submission, we can use YouTube and we can use other video channels that are available today. Submission spelling is yes, double S. So video submission, you can use the let me give you an example of YouTube. When you post a video on a YouTube channel that holds a lot of audience, okay, let's say 1 million subscribers or 550K subscribers, and when you put your link on that particular video, that helps the audience to go on that link via that video. I hope it is clear to everyone. So video submission is also a good technique in order to perform off-page optimization. And last we have is infographics. What are infographics? Let's say you have created a graph, a pictorial representation of your yearly sales, and you have made that graph or a picture as a link, and you display that link on a particular website, that this is the annual sale if you join us, or if you do work with us, and if you join this particular platform, whatever scenario you are going to see. So infographics helps your audience to get on your website, on your links more rather than the text that you have written. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay. If I have used some infographics here in this particular lectures, you might be more entertained, but I have used this simple notepad, so sorry for that. So that's all for today. Hope you have understood how can you perform off-page optimization. There are so many things that you can do, so do try all these things within your website. And when we are talking about link building, so there are two types of links: the outbound links and the inbound links. What are outbound links? Outbound links are those links on which when you click you go on an external website from your site, and inbound links are those links from external site, you click on that link and you come on your website. Okay, so there are two types of links, so you have to specify those as well. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now that's all for today. If you do not understand anything, please do write me. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.